Hello. Oh my goodness. It's been a long while here. Because I know I've taken so much time. It's been long I've posted any content, any lessons on this channel. Because I really apologize. Because Baharanu mo for the depth of my heart. Na no bim because so I am fully back. I'll be posting so many lessons. Um, Biko, if you're just joining this my channel, Ahambo Nwada Ozioma. Here in Emeba, what we normally do here is to learn Igbo language and culture, and you will love it here. If you have not subscribed, please press the subscribe button and subscribe, and also put on your notification bell because I'll be posting a lot of things from now on. Then you'll be learning so many things about Igbo language, Igbo culture, writing, so many things, how to speak and all that place. And my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for the likes, thank you for the comments. And please don't forget to always like, share, and comment on every topic that is being raised here. Thank you so much. I am fully back, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for the love. I really appreciate. Thank you.